ऐसा है पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान, ऐसा है पाकिस्तान 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 पाकिस्तान।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Shahid Munir, Chairman, APSAP, Professor Dr. Chaudhry Abdur Rahman, Chairman, Vice Chancellor's Committee, Muhammad Ali Saab, distinguished guests, sponsors, my worthy Vice Chancellors, and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is my absolute honor to welcome all of you to the biggest entrepreneurial expo, See Pakistan 2022. An entrepreneurial revolution or entrepreneurial culture is the foundation of any thriving economy or society. And I firmly believe that entrepreneurship has the power to change the world. I believe in the power of entrepreneurship because it has the solution to tackle some of the biggest challenges we face today. That is why the objective of today's expo is not only to promote entrepreneurship culture in Pakistan, but also to ignite the passion of entrepreneurship among youth. Youth is the most important asset Pakistan has. 97% is an overwhelming majority Pakistan is blessed with. And universities, has no doubt, have a huge responsibility to channelize the positive energy of the youth and turn this human resource into human capital to build economically superior Pakistan. Let me share the journey of today's expo actually started 5 years ago with a vision that Superior University will not be the factory of unemployed youth. It will be the university which will nurture and encourage entrepreneurial mindset of youth to become job creators instead of job seekers. Because I believe that youth has the power to change the world, and youth has power to change Pakistan as well, because it is the most prestigious treasure we have. So it was the time when I designed entrepreneurship teaching and training program with a vision to inculcate entrepreneurial mindset, to enrich, enable, and empower the youth with critical and innovative skills to design solutions of the societal problems. And alhamdulillah, within a very short span of time, our unique entrepreneurship teaching and training programs impact has increased significantly. I can proudly share that 100 student-owned startups are commercial, and they have created 700 new jobs, and they have generated 700 million revenue. I still believe, and since the time I joined Superior University, I feel as every day is a new day at Superior, because we continue to innovate our teaching and learning pedagogies, and we always think of new ways on how to improve our impact as a university. Being rector, I'm a firm believer of inclusivity and working in collaboration with others. That is why this year's expo is different than the last year's. This year, this expo has expanded at national level. This year, it is a great show and representation of all public and private sector universities from all over Pakistan. Under the National Startup Championship, 1,000 startups from 129 universities competed. And after a very rigorous criteria of selection, only 100 impactful startups are showcasing their innovative ideas today in See Pakistan 2022. I'm extremely thankful to the Chairman APSIP for giving us this opportunity to expand Spear's revolution across Pakistan, because it was purely his idea to expand See Pakistan 2022 at national level. And I'm extremely thankful to you, Chairman Saab. I hope so we have been able to achieve your expectations. I'm also very thankful to our partner universities who have joined hands together with us. And especially I'm very thankful to Board of Governors, Chairman Board of Governors, University of Faisalabad, Heather Amin Saab. Thank you very much for your generous support and unconditional support. I'm also very, very thankful, because it will be unfair without acknowledging and recognize the contribution of all members of my EO community, because they have been with us during the early days of our entrepreneurship journey. So thank you very much for your patronage. I'm also very thankful to Chairman Punjab Higher Education Commission for his patronage and facilitation. Today, I really want to appreciate the hard work, dedication, and devotion of the entire organizing team for putting up such a wonderful show, especially Executive Director EPSA, Mr. Murtaza Noor, Director 3U1M Program, Ms. Aisha Zahid, Deputy Director Kamasid, Mr. Munib. Thank you very much for all the hard work. I also appreciate and recognize the generous contribution of our collaborators, sponsors, for joining hands together. In the end, definitely, I want to give a message to my youth that live your life with dignity and respect. Work hard and never give up, because you are the prestigious treasure of Pakistan and you have the ability to create a difference in the lives of many. And remember, इकबाल ने क्या खूब कहा है, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, हो जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद. So once again, welcome to See Pakistan 2022. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
ऐसा है पाकिस्तान.